Does cracking your joints gives you arthritis? Let's debunk them with Dr. Hussain. Here is the deal. Cracking your joints are just bubbles that are popping up in your body. So let's think them as a bubbles wrapped up in your body. Studies show it doesn't cause arthritis. So your joints are safe. But remember, here's the thing. Crack too much or too often might result in tenderness or redness. So basically it's your joints saying, hey, take it easy, man. So crack away, but with a little bit of less force and less often. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel less crackly now. So